Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Yvonne and I hope you're doing well. So today I have another foundation review and that is the Maybelline Dream Urban cover. Before I get into that, I just want to say thank you for the new subscribers and I hope you're enjoying this channel. And also stay tuned to the end because I have a giveaway for you guys, so definitely wait. So I got this foundation in 360 Mocha and I spent £10.99, which isn't bad for a drugstore foundation. It's very affordable. It has 20 shades. I mean, it could be better because most companies are bringing maybe 25 to 30 foundations. So this foundation also has SPF 50 and that is really high for a foundation. I think it makes it more like a CC cream in a way. It's very similar to the IT Cosmetics CC cream if you guys have tried it as well. This foundation says it's a full coverage and lightweight foundation, so I'm going to be putting this to the test. Because it has SPF 50, my moisturizer doesn't need to have SPF in it because this is quite high. It doesn't say what skin type it's good for, but when I apply it I can tell you guys what kind of skin type it's good for. So yeah, let's put this on. So I always prime my face just to make sure to give this foundation a fair chance, because you wouldn't really be going out without applying like primer on your face, would you? So always apply a primer. I always apply my foundation with this flat top brush from Morphe. It's like my favorite brush that I always pick up. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see, but it's quite runny. Like the consistency is quite runny. I mean, it's not too bad. The color is good. It blends very easily as well. Okay. Alright, so that is 2 pumps of the foundation on my face, just on this side of my face. And to be honest, I like it. I like the finish of it. Like it's not too glowy. It's radiant. And it's very lightweight. It just feels like I'm wearing a moisturizer, to be honest. Let me just apply more on my other side. Usually I apply the foundation directly on my face, but I wanted to let you guys see the consistency of it as well, so that's why I'm applying it directly on my brush. Okay, I think I put a bit more on this side. I feel like the more you put of this foundation, the more sheen it has, and that's what you guys can see right now. So I guess I'm gonna put a little bit more on this side just to match it up a bit. I wasn't sure which skin type this foundation is for, but putting it on my skin, I would definitely say it's probably for a normal to dry skin, because if you have an oily skin and it already has this sheen right now, imagine maybe later on, like a couple hours later, you're definitely going to be looking greasy. Whoa, I like the coverage. I mean, the undertone suits me perfectly. I think I have a neutral undertone. It has more of a yellowy, but not too yellow, a bit warm undertone as well, and that suits me very well, especially right now in the winter time. I really like the finish of it all. As you guys can see, it still has the sheen, and I'm not sure if maybe later on, after I've applied like my concealer and everything, the sheen is gonna go down just a bit. But so far so good. I mean, it's covered up everything and I don't have to use a lot of pumps, as you guys saw. It's very lightweight, as in I can't feel anything on my face. It literally feels like a moisturizer right now. So I'm just gonna finish off my makeup and come back and let you guys know what time it is, and also throughout the day I'm gonna check in with you guys how the foundation wears, do I need to touch up, and if there's cracking or anything. So I'll let you guys know. My sister. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, I was trying to ask you, what undertone am I?
I'm guessing you're neutral.
Neutral is the one I can wear cool and warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So my sister just confirmed I have a neutral undertone, so that means I can wear both cool and warm foundation. That's why maybe this suits me well. I'm gonna do my makeup now. Eyebrows first. Guys, can you believe I still haven't done my eyebrows since November last year? Like, wow. Like, I haven't even like threaded or plucked or anything. I haven't done anything to them. Right now I'm just setting my face. I don't really do much, as you guys already know. I keep my makeup very simple, especially when I'm testing it out, because I don't want to do too much to it, so you guys can see how the foundation actually wears. Guys, if you see the light changing, that's because the sun is really bright today and I'm using my ring light as well. So bear with me. Yeah, this is the finished look. I put a bit of bronzer on and I put a bit of highlighter, like just a little bit, and I did my eyeshadow as well. For the powder, I don't really powder my face that much. I just use like what is left in my brush from like other days, so that's what I did really, because I really wanted to test out the foundation. Like before, as you guys saw, it had a lot of sheen to it, so I wanted to see if this foundation will be okay without too much powder or too much product on top of it. But I'm gonna set my face now with a setting spray that I can't seem to find. Okay. Oh, it's right here. So, so yeah, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay setting spray. Just to finish off my makeup, I'm just gonna put some lip products on my lip. Okay, yeah, so that is my foundation completed. So I'll let you guys know how the foundation wears throughout the day. And right now it is, yeah, so right now it's 2:04 in the afternoon. So I'll let you guys know. I'm actually gonna try and wear it for like 10 hours. I'm gonna try for like 10 hours, yeah. But I'll let you guys know how the foundation wears out through the day. But so far so good. So far so good. I mean, it was easy to blend out, like I said to you guys already. Also, I'm going to take a picture with flash and without flash. Hopefully that will just pop up randomly on the screen. I just don't know where. Maybe here and there. So even though this foundation has SPF 50, it didn't give me any flashback or give me that ghostly look most SPF give dark skin. Hi guys, so I'm just checking in with you guys. It's 4:18 right now and I've had this foundation on for like 2 hours. So far so good. Like I'm out shopping right now because I'm really hot. So far this foundation is held up. There's no cracking so far. I mean, it's not shiny, but then obviously I did powder it and I did set it with a setting spray, so that is helping it at the moment. Everything is still in place. I still have my bronzer, you guys can see. Yeah, I'm in Primark right now, so if you guys can hear the sound, whatever. But yeah, everything I have is still on. I mean, the complexion, I mean the finish of it all is so smooth, it's flawless. I have nothing bad to say at the moment. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. I haven't had to blot yet, so yeah, so far so good. Hey guys, so I'm just checking back now. It is right now 7, you can't even see, so I don't know why I keep showing you guys, but it's 7:34 p.m. So we just got back from shopping and I've had my dinner. So I'm so full right now, like I even feel so tired. So I'll definitely say the foundation's held up the whole day. I haven't had to touch up anything, and I went shopping, like trying on clothes, and it didn't really mess up my foundation, as you guys can see. As far as like my smile lines and like the crack, I don't think there's any problem with that. It's still fine, it looks flawless, like I applied it on like earlier on. I haven't blotted. This is the normal sheen that it has to it, and I'm actually quite happy with it because it's not too glowy. Like it's not to the point where it's too like shiny. But I like it. Everything is still on. I still have my bronzer and everything hours just to see how it's gonna wear out, like maybe later on throughout the day, because right now, as I said, like you can see a bit of the sheen coming through, so maybe in 2 hours time maybe it's gonna be a bit more, but we'll see. But so far so good. I mean, I like the coverage of it. Obviously, now that the sheen's coming through, I kind of like the foundation a bit more because it's more warm now. I feel like when I put it on, maybe because I put the powder on, so it looked a bit too cool tone, but now I feel like it's a bit warmed. It's warmed up and I see a bit of colour, like the brownness coming through. And guys, do you like my pajamas? I really love it. It's so cute. Like, I got this from H&M, and no, like, this is so cute. It's a long sleeve and it's a top and bottom, so yeah, go check it out guys. H&M, that's the place to go. I'm back for the final check-in, and it's right now 10:58, so let's just say 11. I've had this foundation on for like 9 hours now, and I would say it's held up pretty well. I mean, I just took a nap and woke up, but it did not move at all. I mean, I do have a bit of shine coming through, but I feel like after 9 hours, the natural shine of your face and also the foundation, this is enough. Like, it's not too much. It's not like a hot mess, you guys. Like, it's really not that bad. And my smile lines have not cracked, and I'm really pleased with that as well. Yeah, this foundation is super lightweight. Like, I still don't feel like I have foundation on my face. It just feels like a moisturizer, like I mentioned earlier on. It's super lightweight. The foundation has its natural sheen to it, and if by the end of the day your natural shine is a bit too much, then you won't like this foundation at all, and I feel like that will mess up your foundation or just make everything look all muddy at the end of the day. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend this for normal to dry skin. I'd just like to say, because this foundation has a dewy finish to it, maybe if you're in a warmer climate, this foundation might not hold up as well as it did for me, because right now it's winter in London. But let me know in the comments below if you've tried this foundation and it worked out well and it's like in a warmer climate or warm temperature. I got the foundation in the shade Mocha, 360 Mocha, and that was the darkest shade in the range, and I feel like I'm not the darkest out there, so drugstore foundation need to up their game, because it's not really fair on the other chocolate girls out there. You need to expand your range, people. But foundation itself is pretty good. It's worth your money, and for a lightweight, protective, because of the SPF 50, I'll definitely recommend this foundation. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know in the comments below if you've tried this foundation out and you liked it or not. And also, I have a mini giveaway for you guys. The lucky winner will receive this makeup brush set. It has 7 pieces in there in this lovely vanity box. This set is so cute. I mean, I love the handle. It's more of a mint green, and then the bristles are lilac and pink. And also, I got this eyeshadow palette. I hope you guys can see. It's the Tropical Paradise, the Tammy X Revolution. I'm sure you guys know about it. And also my 2 favorite face masks from Sephora that I want you guys to try. And let me know how it works out for you guys if you do win it. And also my favorite eyelash. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to check out the description box below on how to enter this giveaway. Good luck, and I'll see you guys later.